Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your location to your Instagram bio. This is a simple way to make your profile look more complete and let people know where you are based. If this video helps you, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are on the main screen, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, tap Edit Profile so you can make changes to your bio. Once you are there, go to the Bio section. In this area, you can type anything you want to appear on your profile. To add your location, you can first remove any text you do not want, then insert a location pin emoji from your keyboard. After that, type your location, for example, Spain. When everything looks good, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to add your location to your Instagram bio.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!